of light. What do you mean by ray of light? Ray of light is a very narrow path of light. Actually, it is a very narrow path of light which is represented by a line. First of all, here we are having the line with an arrowhead. Why this arrowhead is there? This arrowhead is showing the direction of the ray of light, means in which direction this ray of light is moving. So this arrowhead is showing the direction, and ray of light is very a narrow path of light. It is represented by a line. Okay. If we are collecting the rays of light, then that rays of light will forms a beam of light. And here also, whenever beam of light is there, for example, here we are having point source of light. Very small source of light is there, and from the small source, light radiations are scattering in all directions, and this one light radiation we will regard it as ray of light. Next topic, we are having beam of light. So what do you mean by beam of light? A broad collection of light rays. Whenever we are taking up many light rays together, these together light rays will form a beam of light. So beam of light can be categorized into three types. Three types are there. Parallel beam of light. This is the parallel beam of light. Second, we are having convergent beam of light, and third, we are having divergent beam of light. So one by one, here we are going to study about parallel beam of light, convergent and divergent beam of light. Okay. So very first beam of light, we are having parallel beam of light. What do you mean by parallel beam of light? See carefully. Whenever all the rays in a beam are parallel to each other, so these all rays are parallel to each other. So whenever in a beam of light rays are parallel to each other, that beam is known as parallel beam of light. In a similar manner, we are having divergent beam of light. Divergent means to go away from each other or to spread into all directions. So what is the definition? When the different rays of light beam move away from each other from the one source. For example, here we are having one source of light, and from the one source of light, light radiations are moving away from each other or scattering in the all directions. That is known as divergent beam of light. And third, we are having convergent beam of light. Convergent means to meet at a one point. Whenever many number of light rays are there, and they are meeting at one point, and this collection of light rays is known as convergent beam of light. Means from the different sources light rays are coming and meeting at one point. This is known as convergent beam of light.